Welcome to part 2 of turning cassava into pizza crust. In part 1 we made this cassava dough with chickpeas. To turn it into pizza crust, first oil a piece of parchment paper, then spread the dough out into a large thin round, brush the top with more oil, and then par cook it in a preheated oven with a pizza stone for about 2 to 3 minutes, just so the dough holds together and can be flipped over. Then add all of your toppings to it. I added fire roasted tomato sauce, roasted eggplant and mushrooms, onions, peppers, fresh mozzarella, black pepper, salt, fresh basil, a drizzle of olive oil, and some pepperoncini flakes. Bake it again for about 5 more minutes till the cheese is bubbly, the crust is crispy and cooked completely through. It's super delicious, hot and fresh. Top it with some more basil and you'll have yourself a beautiful gluten-free, grain-free, thin crust style bar pizza with a crust that can fold and hold all of your favorite toppings. If you liked this video, please follow along for more recipes from my cottage kitchen on the beautiful island of Nantucket, and have a lovely, lovely day.